Stuart, can I see you in my office, please?
That kid is sick.
That hinge is squeaky.
Very sick.
Stuart, get in here.
Sure thing, Mr. P.
Stuart, I just opened my Ameritrade account.
Let's light this candle.
Let's go to ameritrade.com. It's easier than falling in love. What do you feel like buying today, Mr. P?
Kmart.
So research it. All this stuff is provided for you free of charge.
No cost.
Yeah, that's synonymous with free.
Looks like a good stock.
Let's buy.
Let's buy 100 shares.
All right, click it in there.
Okay.
How about 500?
100, Stuart.
Feel the excitement? You're about to buy a stock
Okay.
online.
Fabulous. I'm thrilled. What did that cost me?
$8, my man.
$8?
$8. You're riding the wave of the future, my man. I gotta
Listen,
get a soda.
all right.
I'm sorry, Mr.
Wait a
P.
minute.
I'm having a party on Saturday night. If you really want to go,
I'm going to try and get there. Thank
Happy
you, Stuart.
trading.
Thank you.
rock on.
All right, Stuart.
25th anniversary special. Open a cash account with $500 and get a 50% rebate on your first month's commissions up to 25 internet equity trades. Visit ameritrade.com.